Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to post an ad on Gumtree. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Gumtree, click the register option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, let me tell you, posting an ad on Gumtree platform is a very straightforward and an easy process, okay? So once you are here and you have successfully created your account, I need you to click on the sale button here, the plus icon. Now, from here, of course, you just have to choose the appropriate category for your ad because Gumtree offers categories such as car, property, jobs, services, community, and more. All right, or you can browse to find a category: motors, for sale, property, job, services, community, and pets. Now for this situation, I'm gonna click on these services. It could be a business and office, childcare, clothing, computers and telecoms, entertainment. And for now, I'm gonna be entertainment for now because this is about tutorials. Click on continue. You just have to fill in the details for your ad, and of course we need to be clear and descriptive. We need to of course put in as much as images we can. All right, but please remember that there's a fee of 10.99 fee for posting in this category. All right, now I'm gonna skip on this one because we just needed a simple service. All right, so again, just click on sell, skip that. Maybe for now, let's choose a car or maybe a toy, I guess. All right, for gonna be hobbies, interests, and collectibles. I want you to click on it. And again, of course, you need to put in a compelling images that you can. All right, let me do that. Now you can add the YouTube video link if you wanted. And for the title, it's up to you. The description is like, there's like a limitation of 10,000. So here, what I'm gonna do is maybe for now, let's put in 1. You can include a link to your website for 250. You can even view an example. Now here's the thing, you can make your ad stand out if you select an option to promote your ad. You can have the featured, which is very recommended. You can have your ad appear at the top of the category listings for 3 to 7 or 14 days. But if you're not into a rush, okay, you feel like you're not rushing things, just do the default. They also have the offers for urgent. You can let people want to sell, rent, or hire quickly, especially if it's a services, which is of course the color coded scheme for the ads has different pricing. Like this one is the featured is 2.20, the urgent is 2.60, and the spotlight gives you your ad gonna be on the spotlight section, and that's gonna be 5 for 7 days. All right, now if you don't have the basically here, if you don't have the, all I'm gonna do is just click on next and click on post my ad. Just wait for it. Now after that, all I'm gonna do is you would be receiving a confirmation to your email. Okay, just wait for it. Let me check that. Now this is gonna be the notification from the Gumtree that you have already successfully posted a specific ad. All right, now as you can see, the ad reference number is these long numbers and your location, and of course the ad title. Now when you simply hover back to the main page, if you wanted to check if the ad has been successfully posted, again, all you're gonna do is go to your menu and click on the Manage My Ads. All right, I want you to click on it. As you can see, I have 2 active postings, and this one is how to post an ad on Gumtree, right? And if you have more updates about your specific service or ads here on this section, all I have to do is click on the edit button here, the pencil icon. I want you to click on this one. If you have more updates, for example, you wanted to add more photos, like updated photos for your ads, it's not generating a specific traction that you're expecting, you might want to update some photos on that as well. And again, you can add a YouTube video link like this one. I'm gonna put in the YouTube video link of Andy Guide's channel. All right, and again, if you wanted to put a price or an update on the price, as well as if you wanted to take advantage of the standing out, the featured, the urgent, and the spotlight, you are free to do so here. All right, and then after that, all you're gonna do is click on the update button right here. Click on that. Once you're happy, again, you go to the home page. Now, if by any chance you encounter any problems posting an ad here on Gumtree, could be a lot of reasons. Number one is, remember that Gumtree is based in UK, and you may be your location may be geo-restricted, so you might want to check on that. Or if you are using a VPN, so if you're using a VPN, you might want to turn it off for now or disable. Or if you don't have a decent internet connection, you might want to check on that as well. But if there's like there's a troubleshooting steps that you would need, like a bug or any technical support that you wanted about posting an ad here on Gumtree, all I'm gonna do is go to the menu again. I need you to click on the help and contact. What will happen is you'll be forwarded to the Gumtree help desk, because it happened to me in the past. I wasn't able to successfully post an ad no matter how many times I tried on different devices, from a laptop, from a mobile, from 2 computers, and it's a different location as well. So what I did was go to the contact by live chat, because from here one of the support staff for Gumtree was able to help me out and give me insights on how to troubleshoot the problem. You see, you can click the contact us from the top menu. Just wait for it a little bit to load. And once it's loaded, you need to select a topic, for example, editing ads. All right. Now, here are some articles that could help you, but of course, click on the contact us option. Once you're here, you can basically be as detailed as you can. Enter your Gumtree ad ID. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.